Yeah, girl, you know my man is not gonna care. Where you said the party was at? Oh, Twan house?
Hell nah. Look, bitch, I don't know what type of slick shit y'all got going, but she ain't going to no party. And you better get that straight through your head, playboy. Hell nah, nigga really thought she was about to go to a party. What the
Wow,
fuck is
Capri,
wrong
I
with you?
can't go to a party, but you sneak to parties all the time?
Come again?
I said I can't go to a party when you sneak to parties all the time?
Say what?
Capri, you heard me.
Beg your pardon?
I can't go to a party?
No, I'm just playing. Nah, ask me again though, bro. I really didn't hear you the first time.
Capri, can I go to the party?
No, motherfucker, what the fuck you thought, cuz? You think you about to go to a party without me there? You know how many niggas be grabbing bitches' arms when they walk past? Slapping their ass, huh? I know that's because I used to do it. Ooh, do it now, do it good. Suck this pussy just like you should. Was a great song that they played at parties. Like I said, I don't care what you say. You're not going to no goddamn party. And that's that.
Wow, Capri, you really be trying to control me.
Yeah, because I'm the man up in this bitch. I run this shit, goddammit. What are you talking about?
Well, if that's the case, why we always in my car and never in yours?
Bitch. See, there you go again, doing that shit again. Bitch, stick to the fucking script. You know my fucking car had carbon monoxide and the auxiliary carburetor was broke.
Capri, you're not just about to keep telling me I can't go to parties or hang out with my friends.
Nigga, your friends is first class common street whores, nigga. It's not gonna happen. Never. I don't care what you say. Let you go to that motherfucking party, nigga. I have ISIS all through that bitch. Cutting off everybody's head, nigga. On live TV, motherfucker. Bomb threats every minute of the fucking hour, nigga. Try me if you want to. That party will get shut down before it even gets started. Trust to believe, I'm an Arsenio too. I set that whole motherfucking building on fire, nigga. Let you go to that party.
What the fuck is an Arsenio?
That's when you set shit on fire, dummy. See? You girls kill me. You want to go to a party and you don't even know what Arsenio is.
It's arsenal, dumbass.
If I do let you go to this party.
If you do let me go to the party.
Yeah. If I do, what you gonna do?
Nothing. I'ma just walk around, dance, chill.
Whoa. Whoa. Wait a minute. Let's rewind that back. You said what?
I said I'ma walk around, dance, and chill.
Dance? What you like boogie dance? Like you in the middle by yourself? What the fuck you mean dance? On another nigga? Bitch, I hope the fuck you do. Oh! You gonna dance, huh? So you gonna dance. You gonna dance, huh? Bitch, I will whip your motherfucking ass if I catch you in that bitch dancing. Think I'm playing, nigga? You think you about to put your ass on another man's sausage? On another man's pickle? I'm about to go O.J. Simpson.
Now tell him.
My baby allowed to go anywhere she want with her friends.
And?
She allowed to go to any party or any movie or any sleepover.
And strip clubs when I want to.
No, you ain't going to no strip club. I swear. And she allowed to go to the strip club. Baby, please don't go to a party and dance on another nigga dick.
Okay, baby, I won't go.
I don't want your ass touching this dick. You gonna stay with me?
Yes.
You gonna stay with me? Give me a kiss. Give me